Welcome to Mandate Private Schools. At Mandate Private Schools, we seek to provide superior quality education aimed at producing responsible, dedicated, honest, hardworking, and self-confident young people whose love for mankind is pure and whose love for God is supreme. For the past 24 years, Mandate Private Schools have won so many awards. Among them are Lagos State Certificate of Recognition for adopting best practices during the Lagos State Government OEQA COVID-19 initiative. Also, Mandate Private Schools has won 2 international awards. One of them is a certificate for best performance using the best scenario in FGSS International Debates, and also Mandate Private School won FGSS International Debates for junior category. Also, Mandate Private Schools won Spell Africa 8th edition secondary school championship position. We also have so many awards that are displayed in the reception office and some that are given in so many ways. Mandate Private School is a choice school for the wise.